Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to go over the top 3 ETFs to hold, and you don't got to worry about anything. It just keeps going higher over the long term. This is perfect for someone like, let's say your wife is very interested in putting money into the markets, but they don't want to take too much risk. They want to keep it simple. So here are the top 3 ETFs. You guys know me. I'm going to be straight and to the point. So give me that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's jump into the video here. We're going to go straight into it. No intro, no outro, none of that nonsense. We're going straight to none other than Quantum ETF, QTUM. I believe that quantum is inevitable. Just like AI is inevitable, and now here we are. Now a lot of stocks are absolutely ripping and running because of the whole AI infrastructure and bottleneck problem, right? People weren't ready for all this. We were not ready for the AI revolution. I don't think we're going to be ready for the quantum revolution. And when that time comes, it's already at $147, but I'm telling you right now, we're still early. This is just getting started, and I'm showing you the yearly time frame. It just keeps going up over the long term, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of those 9 years, 7 have been green. The 2 red years were nothing more than a dip buying opportunity. I give this a buy, dollar cost average into it. Don't be afraid. You may not understand quantum because I sure as hell don't, but you can see very clearly it just keeps going up, and that's where the real money is made. You just buy something and sit on it, right? If your wife or you want to set your kid up for the future, bam, there it is, the quantum ETF. If you believe in quantum, if you're a little afraid of quantum, don't know enough about it, and you want to buy something else, well, I got something for you, and that is called XLK, another ETF that just keeps going up over the long term. It's the technology sector. Something very simple, because guess what? I'm using technology. I'm talking into a mic. I'm using 2 monitors, right? I got a mini fridge. I'm looking around, and I got technology all over the place here. Only my bed isn't technology, but I'm sure that could be technology. I'm sure it could be a smart bed if I wanted it to. Technology is everywhere. You can't even look around without, right now you're probably watching this through some kind of piece of tech. So this is just going up over the long term. As you can see, over the course of 14 years, it's had 2 red years. And those 2 red years, again, just like quantum ETF, were nothing more than a dip buying opportunity. And it just keeps going up over the long term. Again, the money is made holding for 5, 10, 20 years, and then you look back and you're like, holy schnitzels, I just made, 5x, and all I did was just keep buying something safe, right? That's the easiest way to make money in the markets, is just not have to think about it and put it into something that keeps going up over the long term. And finally, the last ETF, the one that's probably the cheapest and could potentially get you the bigger return over the long term, is GRNY. It's an ETF that, again, same exact thing, provides exposure to a lot of tech stocks more than anything, but over the long term, it continues to go higher. I'm trying to zoom in on the chart here. It's becoming a little difficult. Okay, there it is. So this is a newer ETF. It came out a few years ago, but it's just going to follow the market all the way up, and it's going to have red years just like the stock market, but it's cheap. It's $27. I believe this can hit 100, 150, like the quantum ETF and like the technology sector ETFs. So this one's just getting started. This one's still relatively cheap, right? Again, it's not gonna shoot. You're not buying these for moonshots. You're buying these for safety. It's gonna go up over the long term. 5, 10, 20 years from now, you'll look back and be like, wow. Some of you, believe it or not, there's people that they would be better off just buying something really safe and that goes up really slow and just wait 10 years and they'd be rich. But you know how people are. They're greedy. They want to make a lot of money fast. So there's a lot of people who would just save themselves the pain and headache of losing a lot of money by just buying something very safe and just sitting on it and doing a whole lot of nothing. But you know how people are. They just can't sit on their ass. They gotta, they want more than just 0.74% return. They want 1,000x, 10,000x, 1 millionx. They want riches now. So they want to retire tomorrow. So with that said, I believe out of these three, GRNY has the most potential in terms of potential return in the over the course of 5, 10, 20 years. But again, you can't go wrong with XLK, good old technology sector, and quantum sector as well. So there you go. Set your kid up or your mom or whatever. Well, maybe not your mom. If you're my age, your mom is probably like gonna croak, and she's probably gonna, you're probably gonna get the inheritance. So I guess you can't really set up your mom. It doesn't make sense at all. So there you go. Unless your mom is young for some reason, younger than you. Apparently your mom is 18 and you're 33. So I don't know. That's hey, they're coming out with some way to get people to look younger and reverse aging. So maybe we might live in a future where your mom is younger than you. Okay, I'm joking. That's it for the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.